Hello everybody, I'm Lucas Stringer, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use GitHub. Now GitHub is like social media for programming people. You take your files, your let's say .py files, and you put them out there. Really any programming language, and you put it on GitHub. It's great. You do have to have an account for it. It's totally free though. But yeah, if you're just looking for some code to do a project, GitHub probably has it. It's not GitHub, it's people that post. So you're just going to go to github.com. And I already have an account. I assume you do. If you don't, you can just make one by going to github.com and sign up. So you're going to create your first repository. Your repository name, this is another video I made yesterday. Tic-tac-toe game. I'm just gonna call that tic-tac-toes. No, I don't want toes game. Tic-tac-toe game. Description. Python. No. Python. README, yeah. And yeah, so I recommend adding a README because you have to do a certain thing, because if there's a file already there, it's a lot easier to add a file. You'll see. You can add a license. I'm not going to. And this is where you're going to be. The repository is up now, and this is it. So there's settings here. This. Now pages. This is a different thing. I have another video on that. I'll put the link in the description. This is general. Now you can rename your repository, and to delete your repository, for instance, something goes wrong, you just want to delete it, you scroll all the way down to the danger zone. Change repository visibility, disable branch protection rules, transfer ownership, archive this repository, or delete this repository. To do that, you're going to click delete this repository. I want to delete this repository. I have read it and understand these effects, so make sure to read it. And then you're going to type in subscribe and like please /tic-tac-toe game in the box below. Now I'm not going to delete it. I have some more stuff to do. You're going to click code and add file, or this is the code spaces. You can create new file or upload file. I'm going to upload file. An elegant tic-tac-toe game.ai py. Commit changes. Processing your file. This may take a few minutes to complete, and your file is online. Now, it may take a day or two, but if somebody looks up tic-tac-toe game GitHub, no, that's not one. But you'll just see there's a lot of tic-tac-toe games here. But it's online now, so people can look at your code. They can download your code. You can even click on your code right there, and it's going to show you. This is what the code is. And yeah, that's just like the simple version of GitHub. There's so many other things you can do with GitHub. I suggest you look into it more, but this is just a simple overview. This is the README tic-tac-toe game. This is a fun tic-tac-toe game in Python. AI tic-tac-toe game. In fact, I can even show you what this looks like. Not with the text editor. Oh, I need to go into the... Okay. Paste. So your turn X. It's really fun. It's cool. AI edition. I'm gonna go right there. Oh, I'm gonna go right there. It's gonna go right there. it's really smart. Not really, it's smart. It's cool. I always heard you should go in the corner. It's gonna go right there. There. Draw. I've never won, but again, I just got this, so I'm gonna play that one last time. Ah! This is actually really smart. Draw, okay. I don't let it, wait, I wanna see what happens if it wins. Oh, AI wins. It says that. And it has a little robot thing. Okay. That's pretty neat. But yeah, this is just, GitHub is great. There's all kinds of things. So if I just look it up, if I want to, I don't think you have to have a GitHub account to download code. I don't think you do. But tic-tac-toe game, right there. Not that. I don't want that. Topics. No, I want the actual repository. There. Index.html. Oh, wow, it's an HTML. It's actually pretty cool. Go, turn, reset. Made by Mark Francis. It's pretty cool. But, simple CSS. I mean, HTML. But yeah, GitHub is great. Again, that was not mine. That was Mark Francis. But yeah, I love GitHub. It's great. It's kind of like social media for nerds. It's nice. And if you use GitHub, I'm not calling you a nerd. If anybody would be a nerd, it would be me. Nerds, I love great people. Smart people, nerds. But yeah, so I hope you find this video helpful. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day.